I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief.
Hey guys, now I got a lot of questions on skincare on my channel, and I thought, alright, look, I need to make more videos about this and give you guys more tips. And so I thought I need to start right at the beginning. And so in this video, I'm gonna give you guys a basic skincare routine tutorial that's gonna help you out. Now, the most important thing that you need to understand when it comes to skincare is that you need products that are made for your skin. For example, do you have dry skin or oily skin or a combination? And then do you have pimples? And is your skin very sensitive? And what about acne scars and blackheads and whiteheads and wrinkles even? And then what about dark circles under your eyes? You see, most products are not equipped to handle all the needs of your skin. And so that's why great products like Geologie is awesome for this. You know, I saw how famous they got over this last few years. They were even mentioned at places like Men's Health, Men's Journal, and Esquire. And they also won a lot of awards because their products actually work. Why does it work? Because they give you the opportunity to customize your own skincare products with their help, of course. And so it addresses those unique needs of your skin. Now, how do I know it works? Well, I've been trying it out for the last almost 2 months. I tried it out right after I did my research on them. And so in this video, I asked them to sponsor this video where I can give you guys a basic skincare routine tutorial, and they said yes. So thank you guys. So how do you get the right skincare products for your skin? Well, all you gotta do is head over to their website and click here on Get Started. Then you just answer their quick questions so that they can personalize a set of products for your unique skin. Now, these questions are very important because this is how they determine the needs of your skin. This ensures that they add the right ingredients into your skincare products. They also ask you to upload a clear picture of yourself just to make sure. And then voila, look how cool this is. And then once you're done, they create it and send it to you for a 30-day trial. So you get your complete set of 4 different products: the Everyday Face Wash, the Vital Morning Face Cream, the Repairing Night Cream, and the Nourishing Eye Cream. Now, let me show you how the skincare routine works. The first step is to wash your face with the Everyday Face Wash. Geologie sends you 2 of them with your subscription. I got 2, one for the shower and one for the zinc. I think that's awesome because I always forget my face wash on the zinc when I'm in the shower. So just wash your face with lukewarm water. The container says warm water, but lukewarm water is better for your skin than warm water. You gotta wash your face in the morning and also at night. And then the second step is to put on the face cream. In the morning, you use the Vital Morning Face Cream. And then at night, you use the Repairing Night Cream. And then the last step is to put on the eye cream, but only do it at night. Now, I've been using it for about 2 months now, and as you can see, my skin is great. I got no pimples, my face is clear and clean. And then another thing I like about Geologie, and you would like too, is that your subscription comes with a free consultation. Now, this is just to make sure that you get the right skincare products for your skin. Now, if you want to try them out, I got you a 30% discount for your first trial. And if you think about it, it's like $1 per day, which is pretty cheap for the quality that you get. I added a discount code and link for you in the video description if you want to try it out. Now remember, great skin comes with care and time. It's not just about the products, but how you take care of your skin. And so if you want more tips on how to take care of your skin, check out one of these videos and it will help you out. I'll see you there. Cheers, guys.